Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this cute Teolaegi inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails sheer. When the base is dry, use a yellowy orange polish to make the shape of the corgi's head. You can think of it as an oval with two rounded triangles at the top. Next, use white to fill in the bottom third of the face. You want the white to go up at the edges and in the center. Make two white semicircles for the insides of the ears. When everything is dry, outline the head and the insides of the ears with light brown. Keep using the same brown to make the mouth, a freckle beside it, and the eyes. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the second version of Teolaegi, start with the same sheer base, and this time make the head shape tilted to the right. Beside the head on the left, add an oval as a paw. Fill in the paw and the bottom third of the head with white. Make the insides of the ears with white. Outline everything and add the face with brown. Use pink to make paw pads on the paw. Next, just above the corgi on the left, use pink to make a strawberry. Add green leaves and then outline the whole thing with brown. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!